Welcome to the channel. I am glad you are here today. In this video, we will look at how to disable artist audio messages in the Pandora app. These short promotional messages can sometimes interrupt your listening experience, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn them off. First, open the Pandora app on your phone. Once the app loads, look at the bottom right and tap the profile icon. Next, at the top right corner, tap on Small Settings icon. Inside this menu, you will see a category called Artist Audio Messages. Under it, tap on Playing on Zero Stations. Then toggle off the option that says Play Artist Audio Messages. Then click on Skip. That is all it takes to stop those audio interruptions. Disabling artist audio messages on Pandora is simple once you know where to look. Follow these easy steps to keep your music streaming without distractions and enjoy a smoother experience.